Greetings everyone. I, Dr. Deepali Gupta, welcome you all for today's session. We will be learning a very interesting topic today, investment basics. So let's understand what is investment. The money we earn is partly spent and the rest is saved for meeting future expenses. Instead of keeping the saving idle, we may like to use savings in order to get return on it in the future. This is called investment. Now the question arises in our mind, why should we invest? So we need to invest to earn return on our idle resources, generate a specified sum of money for a specific goal in life, make a provision for our uncertain future. One of the important reasons why one needs to invest wisely is to meet the cost of inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the cost of living increases. For example, if there was 6% inflation rate for the next 20 years, a rupees 100 purchase today would cost rupees 321 in 20 years. This is why it is important to consider inflation as a factor in any long-term investment strategy. The aim of investment should be to provide the return above the inflation rate. For example, if the annual inflation rate is 6%, then the investment will need to earn more than 6% to ensure it increases in value. Now, let's see when to start investing. The sooner one starts investing, the better it is. By investing early, we allow our investments more time to grow. Let's see the various options available for investments. So, as we all know, physical assets like real estate, gold, jewelry, commodities, etc. and financial assets such as fixed deposit with banks, small savings with post office, insurance, provident fund, pension funds, security market related instruments like shares, bonds, debenture, etc. Before we conclude, let's understand the 3 golden rules of investment. Invest early, invest regularly, invest for long term and not for short term. Thank you.